2 seconds with your non-dominant hand. No, it's 3 seconds. Oh, we're good then. 2:47. Okay, 3 seconds from your non-dominant hand. Low ready position. Ooh. Drop that magazine shot. Get on target again. Anyway, and then holster your weapon. Shooter, we are clear. It says on the command from the low ready position, shooter will fire in 5 seconds, 2 rounds right center mass and 1 headshot. From the high ready. Low ready again. All right. Let's get right. Low ready is the crotch. And then holster. And then holster. We did it in 2 seconds and sub 3 seconds. We definitely passed the requirement for that particular exercise. We need to do it in 5 seconds, a little bit too fast. We did it in 3.32. So now we're going to go to the 7-yard line. We're using 12 rounds. Yeah, we're going to use 12 rounds, which means we're going to have to do a reload at some point. At this, we're going to do under command from the high ready position, the shooter will fire in the following 3 seconds, 2 rounds, right center mass from the high ready, and then holster. 2 rounds from the high ready, center mass, and then holster. And holster. There you go. It says on the command, the shooter will draw and fire to follow it in 4 seconds, 2 rounds, center mass at the right target, and then holster. And then holster. All right, we cooking right now. Nothing left yet. We did that in 2.90. All right, the last exercise is on the command. The shooter will draw while stepping to the right and fire the following in 15 seconds, 3 rounds, right, center mass, step left, and reload in 4 rounds left, center mass. So all that in 15 seconds. Draw while stepping right. And then holster.